Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be making a new case opening website, and my channel just hit 100 subscribers and I would like to say thank you to all of you. And in this tutorial I will be basically giving you guys good case opening script that would look like this. So you guys will have case creator, case browser, trade up contracts, and all of those stuff like top websites. For example, you can open up to 3 cases at once. Then you can do other stuff like your test spin. As you guys can see, everything works good. We have case creator, so let's try to create a new case. Call it Tuzik, for example. Then you guys can set your percentages, odds, and then just hit create and then confirm, and here it is. So the price is 2,500, and yes, you cannot make profit on this case because there's a special algorithm that basically taxes the cases. So with that being said, let's begin. So first of all, you guys will need to make a VPS. I highly recommend using my Volter, since you guys can get up to 25 or $20 for free using my referral code. And also we will need to create a Debian 7 server. You guys, and they offer like one of the cheapest servers out there, so host name doesn't matter. And I create, because I have a couple more servers and I don't want to I don't want to share my IP with you guys, so I just created a new Debian 7, and we'll just copy. And also you guys, your domain should have SSL certificate, and how to get free SSL I can show you here. So you guys connect your domain to Cloudflare, then you go to crypto, you set SSL to flexible, enable your always use as HTTPS and automatic HTTPS rewrite. Then in DNS you just put your IP. I'm just using this domain just for example. Then after you've done that, we need to log in to our VPS using PuTTY or Kitty. Then what we have to type in is we need to update. Then we have to install some PHP files. Here we'll need to type in the password. I'm just going to use this password. Should take a couple more seconds. Then we just install MySQL, and then we do MySQL secret installation. Then we type in the password again. Change root password, we type no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Disallow root, no. Remove test database, yes. Reload privileges, keep us now, no. After that's done, what we have to do is log in using FileZilla, or I will be using WinCPC in this case. Then you just type the password, and then also let me just also need to delete the Apache 2 file because we will be uploading our own. So let's do Apache 2, and then let's upload our own Apache, and all files will be in the in the description, so you guys can download. And let's install apt-get install unzip, because we will be unzipping the Apache 2. Zip apache 2.zip. Done. And we can remove the Apache 2 folder, I mean the zip file. Then after that's done, we can restart the Apache. Then type in the update again. You can also add phpmyadmin. Yes, also just hit space, press tab, press alt, enter. Go to root directory or wherever you want. Then upload the database. Also go to etc, because the database is large since it contains all the skins and prices. We need to update this phpini file, so delete that and upload this phpini. Then here you do no, then service mysql restart, then service Apache 2 restart. Then after that's done, we can do mysql -u root minus p. We need to create a database. We use this password. Then we type create database. Let's call it Csgo. Then let's if, and then we need to upload or SQL file to that database. So you put your database name, then you put the path to your csgo.sql, then you just put the password again. Now we can check if it uploaded or not. So use Csgo. Wait, sorry for that. Use Csgo, show tables, and you guys should get this. Then we can exit from MySQL and continue our installation. So we need to enable the PHP 5 mode. And while we will be typing these commands, I recommend uploading files. So we just go to var www, remove this index.html, then upload these two files. And while that's happening, we can type some other commands. So let's restart the Apache 2. A2N mode rewrite, expires on. Then after the uploading is done, we need to reboot the server system. But in the meanwhile, let's wait for it to upload. It shouldn't take that long. The reason it's taking a while is because the socket contains, as you guys can see, the node module, which I don't recommend you guys including while transferring files. But in the meanwhile, let me show you the contracts and other stuff. So this is the other side, and you guys can here you can open up to like 5 cases at once. For example, let me just disable the sound. As you guys can see, I got this from contract, and you guys can do some contracts. For example, here 4 skins, total value is 250, and you can get $12 skin from it. As you guys can see, there is a sound, background sound. Let me just enable that. And you get the skin. And we have the live drop is on there. As you guys can see, everything is working. There's referrals, and we'll be setting up the deposits through Escape Pay, and there's Bitcoin option, and we have the code here that can be made by an admin, and the admin can share the code. Let's check if that's done. Yeah, it's done. So we can reboot the system by typing reboot. So the server is going down for reboot. We just need to copy the password again, duplicate the session. It's not up yet. Then we can duplicate the session again. Also reconnect with this. Paste your password, root, insert, clear. Now let's visit our website. So we will be getting this right now because we don't have some permission and we didn't set the config file. So let's quickly do that. So let's first enable some stuff. So we type this command, and by the way, all these commands will be down in the description. Let's just restart this. And then let's install nodejs. Let's run this shell farm. Then we just copy this command, paste it in. Now if we type node mysql, it should say version 6.12. Now after that's done, we can go ahead and set up the site itself. So we need to go to HTML, layouts. We can open up the header. This is the header here. You guys should put the image. Here the Steam group, and you guys will need to put the Twitter group if you have one. Then we have nav bar. So there's a coin flip, but I will remove this because it's not finished yet and it doesn't work, but the rest should be working. So let's go to includes config. So here we'll be putting our domain, which is cachebot. Then this is the password database. So let's put the password database. Database name we created was Csgo. This is your crypto private. This is your Bitcoin wallet public key and private key. This is your API, which can be found using this link dev/API key. We can put that, or I can use the old one if it works. Then after this done, after we done with that, the site should be working. And we can remove some stuff like preloaders and stuff here, layouts, or includes. Well, it's not an include, it's an index.php. Let's remove this script. We don't need live chat. We can remove this. We don't need that too. Then we need to go to views. This is the views that you guys will have. I forgot where the loader is. Layout inside. Oh, here it is. So you guys can remove this loader and it will be loading faster without this loader. But the point of this is because when you have slow internet, the pictures wouldn't load fast and the user will see that pictures will be loading while user will be on the site. So it's nice having preloader if your internet is slow. So now we can log in. We should be able to see our picture. Then we can put our logo, any logo you have, by replacing this image right here. Images, this image, you just upload your own image. Let me see if I have any. I don't have any good logos, but we can generate a logo using this link. If you guys don't know how to make a logo, we can use this site to generate a logo for us. So domain is crashbot. Get started. Let me just close this and enter it here. Get started. I'll just choose the. I don't know why it's not loading fast. Let's just use something like this. Cashbot. And the background should be transparent. And let's make it a little bigger. So we just need to copy this. Block of MA. So here it is, and I just need to replace. By the way, you can change these nanoflip stuff using. So we just need to remove this Google Analyst. Looks like we closed the file. Let's open the file again. What? It kicked me out from the CPC. Again. Wait, what? Sorry for this. So let's go to include, layouts. Let's go to header. And here replace this source by parent by this link right here. But that's if you don't know how to make a logo. Here, we just changed it. And let me just enable the development mode. So we don't need that, and you guys can change the title and stuff. And we will do that right now. So all of the YouTubers that make YouTube content about installing a script and stuff, they don't usually show this stuff to you, but I will. So let's log into Putty again, and let's go to our file, so which is www/. Then let's run the grep file. So what grep allows you to do is to replace all the files using one command. So let's replace nanoflip. Arg set -i s / replace with Csgo crash pod, and we're looking for, wait, sorry for that, this should be nanoflip, and the string shouldn't be ending here. So we're replacing nanoflip with Csgo crash pod and G. So this should do it. Csgo crash. Also, we can replace some other stuff like nanoflip .us. So no input files. Alright, so after that's done, what we can do is we need to go to cd socket file. Then we can open that up in WinCPC and change some mysql login stuff. So for password, this is our password. Database is Csgo. To pull this stuff, and this should do it. Yep. Okay, so now let's run this using, let me close this one. Let's run that with pm2. So let's do npm I -g pm2. We need to install it globally. And after that's done, we can do pm2 start site.js and look for logs. Okay, so it's listening for port, so we can close that down. Then we need to go to JavaScript, base, replace this tools1k.com with your domain, and after that's done, let me just check the files. So there's, let me check the console, why it's not saying, oh, we need to replace those 1k for socket. Oh, we need to replace this with your domain. So we need to replace that, and to listen, that's done. and it still doesn't say. So let's look for this one. Good. See. Okay, so we have those 1k in here and here's here. So it worked. As you guys can see, we don't have any errors and it says 1 player online. And if we connect it again, we should see 1 player. If you would connect again, we should see 2 players, and if we disconnect this user, we should see 1 player. Okay, good. So after that's done, we can open up, we can make our own case. So next step, let's create our own case. 234, let's set percentages to 25, 25, 25, and 25. Step, create keys. And let's set our balance. So after we done that, we can change PHP. We can go to phpmyadmin. Oh, it's not there because we have to edit the Apache 2 file. So we go to etc Apache 2, apache2.conf, and then we run in. We type include. What was it? Include, was it phpmyadmin Apache 2 or, sorry for this guys. Yeah, so this include /etc/phpmyadmin /apache.conf, and after we type that, we need to restart Apache 2 and it should work. If we /phpmyadmin, then we just need to put our password, root or password. Okay, now we're in the database, and sometimes it gives you an error, so you just have to change the port 80 to port 43, or you just can remove the stuff in the link. So if you go to users, we have name, we edit, let's set our balance to $5,000, and let's set our role to 4. We click go, we update, we have admin. This admin shows you all statistics. So if someone requests a withdraw, you will be able to see it here. And I will remove the coin flip for you guys. So let's open up some Ebola cases. And also you guys can change the names of these cases. Here. Oh, the names will be able to change here at cases like you see Ebola. Slug is this, like this Overwatch character or something. And image, this all is coming from this folder, from images. So for example, Slack is Ebola, and we just need to look for Ebola Slack, which should be here. So now we have and it doesn't show the live feed because you're an admin. So let me just change my role to 0 and then open a case. Then if we go to contracts, we can put these stuff. Oh yeah, maximum is $500. So we just got close. And the life is on PHP. That's why it's not updating. So I think we are done. We have a case browser here, and if you guys want, and if we get 50 likes, I will do some changes, like change this stuff to arrows, but you guys can do it yourselves. Actually, let me do that right now. So we can go to views, case browser, then look for case browser, most popular new cases. Wait, let me check something. Case browser, most popular, and this shows process that get cases. So let's go to get cases. Wait, what was the pass? Processes that get cases. Okay, let's go to process, get cases, and here we have to look for this bit here. Okay, and then we have to change it to HTML stuff, HTML arrow symbol v3 schools. Then we can put, for example, this arrow right here. So we need this and this. Just need to copy this HTML code and put it here. Title, then we have this here. Let me check if it's, yeah, you see, or arrow, and we can put this arrow here, the opposite direction. So now we have good looking case site that people can open. So thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day, guys.